Hi everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today we are going to get out some of our winter planting and plant the onions from it. So let's go over and see how they've done. I haven't even looked at them, so let's go see how they've done. Okay, here are the onions that we started. I have to say, I feel like the germination rates weren't very good, and these are tiny little threads. So let's plant them and see what happens. I'm gonna go get bone meal, because remember, that's our secret, blood meal, and a little bit of biotin. Okay, so you can see, this is why I love using these salad containers. You can already see that they have a root system coming down. So I'm just going to pull these out, and I'm gonna plant them like probably 4 inches apart. You just want to give plenty of room for that bulb to develop. So I'm going to go ahead and make my line. I'm gonna throw down my blood meal. I mean bone meal. I'll have to do my blood meal later because I think I've got it in the freezer. That's our homemade blood meal. And I'm just gonna use some bulb tone for this. And then kind of just tease each one out. See? We've got roots, and I'm just gonna kind of keep them right on top and just make sure those roots are underground. There's one. That's it. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna show you again. So you see the roots? They're like strings, little threads. And I'm gonna go about 4 inches out from this one so that they have plenty of room from each other. And you just wanna cover up those threads while keeping it kind of on top of the surface. I can still see the white part of this. But you want it enough so that it can stand up as well. And then I'm just gonna get to planting the rest of these. Now I'm gonna water this in. Well, there you have it. 60 tiny little seedlings planted. I have to be honest, typically with my winter sowing, they're usually bigger than that. I'm not sure what happened this year, but those threads will at the very least turn into smaller onions that we can definitely use and we can save. But I'll keep you updated as to what's going on with it. The only thing that we're gonna have to be careful of is our chickens. Our chickens love to get in there and take dust baths, and so when they do that, they unearth everything we've done. I just chased a chicken out of it literally saw me planting and wanted to go over there and take a dust bath. Oh, those chickens, they're gonna be in my frying pan if they're not careful. Well, that's all we have for today. We have some other things to do around the farm that I'm not gonna actually film. And so remember, if we can plant our winter sowing onions, anybody can. Thanks, bye.